Okay, so we just finished story time, and now I'm going to walk through this week's take a grab and go bag. Each week on Thursday and Monday from 2 to 7 when we do curbside, you will want to come in and get the following Wednesday's grab and go bag to go along with the story time. I will pre-record the videos and then we will post them after the story times. This way I can leave them up and you can do them at your leisure. You won't, because the story times we have to delete after 24 hours because of publishing rules from the publishers. So, and when you pick up your bags, you will also get a grab and go bag for Miss Rhonda from the extension office, because during summer reading, we do the story time, or we do a Tuesday story time with Miss Rhonda, where she comes in and she does a story with us and she does a craft, and then she also, you make something to eat. So all of hers is going to be when you pick up ours too, but her story times will be at 10:30 on Fridays. We will post them. So, but hers will also have to be taken off after 24 hours because she puts on, she does her book. She reads a book and she does it all together. So anyways, so today, our craft, Jack and the Beanstalk is one of the books that we're reading. And this is the craft. We're making our own little beanstalk that's going to grow and go up, okay? So in your bag, you should have got a Ziploc bag. And just to let you know, while I'm thinking about it, all grab and goes are first come, first serve. We only make so many, so once you get them, they're gone. Right now we're doing 20 a week is our goal. If we see that we're getting a lot more requests, we'll make more. But we're just, right now, we're doing a first come, first serve, and then we'll see from there how we go. So you would have got a little pot like this. Miss Glenna has been keeping ours in a little plastic one so that we could water it. Miss Glenna actually planted this 2 weeks ago. And see how it's gotten? It's gotten big, hasn't it? So then, you have a bag of soil, and you're going to put that soil into the pot, okay? And parents, you might want to put something under it, because if you have an extra cup like this, because the pots have holes in them. Plus, what's nice about these pots is when you're ready, you can just plant the pot and everything into, the ground or wherever, because they're biodegradable pots. Next, you're going to, after you've put your soil in your pot, you will take your beans and you will kind of just take your finger and put a little hole, and then put your bean into the hole and then cover it up. And then you're going to want to water it a little bit. Then you're going to need glue. So that is one thing, parents, that you'll need glue. And you are going to glue your blue cloud to your castle. And then you can take your cotton ball and you can pull a little bit off like that. And just kind of like we did on this one, glue your cotton onto the cloud. And then you'll glue this onto this stick. All right? And then you're going to put that stick in there. And then what's going to happen is, as it grows, then you can make it go up the pole. See how we've done that? Okay? All righty. So that is our craft for this week, for our story time. Like I said, we will have a new one tomorrow that you can start picking up tomorrow from 2 to 7, or you can also get it on Monday from 2 to 7. Just a reminder, we have book bundles. I will post those on Mondays and Thursdays, what we have. If you would like them, call the library at 816-293-5579, and we would be happy to get those checked out to you and waiting for you on our table. Don't forget to sign up for summer reading. You can sign up at cascolibrary.org, choose Archie as your branch, and you can keep track of what you're reading. I'm just letting you know now, our hope is that we will open back up. I don't know when. We will still hopefully be doing the books where you read so many and then you get a free book. We probably won't be doing any coupons, but there is bonus plays to where after you reach to where you get your free book, you can read more, and then your name goes into a drawing to try to win some prizes that we have. So there is going to be that. As far as coupons that we've been used to in the past, right now we don't have a lot because of everything that went on. But I just wanted to put that out there that you will still get a free book, hopefully. If everything, I'm hoping we will open up soon. I just don't know when. So if you have any questions, please contact us at the library or reach out to us through Facebook Messenger on the page. And I think that's all I got for today. Thanks so much. Talk to y'all later. Bye.